Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today we have an unboxing. And this is a mail call. So, welcome to the channel. My name is Moose, and if you are new to the channel, on this channel I do reviews of knives, gear, food, and tech for backpacking, hiking, EDC, and travel. So, today we're going to cut this bad boy open. I just got this, and the knife I'm using is the Spyderco PM3 lightweight, or the paramilitary 3 lightweight, which is a really sweet good knife from Spyderco. So I'll leave a link in the upper right hand corner if you want to see a full review of this, as well as links in the description below for these products and for this knife as well if you're interested in purchasing those. Alright, it's tight. Oh, remember, always close your knives when you're not using them. Oh, no wonder why. There's more. But yeah, super great knife. This is a order from Knife Center. Holy cow. Oops, wrong way. There we go. Multiple ways to open this box. Whoa. Okay. There's more packed in here than I thought. And something very large. I don't remember uttering something so big, but cool. So, right off the bat, you can see everything I got here. I got 2 knives and Shimog. So, at the time of this video, if you ordered something, they're having a promotion where you put in some code or something and they'll give you a free Shimog as a promotional product. And you can see it's Knife Center, black and orange. It's kind of orange is their color, so pretty cool. These things always come in handy and are great for any sort of kind of bug out bag or emergency kit, or just something to keep on hand in a car. So that's sweet. Bonus, get one of those. So we got 2 knives. We have a Boker, which this is a big old box, and a QSP knife. So let's crack this open. Let's do the Boker first. If I can cut this open, we'll see. Oh, whoa. I do like Boker knives. I haven't gotten one in a while. This is the Boker Plus. This is a big case. You can actually lock it, so that's kind of cool. And the knife, honestly, this case, really nice, but it's actually kind of light. Ooh, that's a nice, really soft material in there. We got some literature. This case is actually really cool. Kind of surprised it came with the case. So here's the knife out of that big case, and this is how little the knife is. Like, look at this. It's just tiny. In this paper, and voila, holy buckets. This is a lot smaller than what I thought, but this is the Boker Plus Urban Trapper Petite G10. Okay, this is way smaller than I thought. Look at this little thing. Ooh, the flipping action is nice. VG10 blade steel, Brad Zinker design, super lightweight. Now, if you didn't know, Brad Zinker is one of my favorite knife designers, and I swear to you, he has designed like the greatest pocket clip ever. This pocket clip is just too good. I call it a beaver tail pocket clip, or a canoe paddle pocket clip. But nice, slim, lightweight, gentleman's executive folder style knife here. Urban Trapper is one of his iconic knives, and it's super cool. And now I have it even in a more smaller, more EDC-able design. I actually consider this a better design for urban EDC, just because it's a shorter blade. The original Trapper is, I think, over 3.5-inch blade, so this will slide into pocket really nice. So there is that. Set that there. And then this one I'm really excited for. Now, I haven't reviewed this yet, but here is, well, I'll show you that in a sec. But QSP comes with this knife, couple stickers, and a little card, informational card. And here it is. Whoa. Another orange and black theme. Looking really sick. So this is, oh yeah, the QSP Penguin Knife Center exclusive. So this is an exclusive to Knife Center. Has these really cool orange and black kind of topographical swirl handle scales that look really gnarly, super cool looking. Got this like stonewash blade, and the blade is upgraded S35 VN blade steel. So sorry for any dogs barking, but awesome knife, and I am super stoked on these two super cool blades. And that is what is in the box. You can look forward to reviews on both of these. And like I was going to say, the QSP, I got this one not too long ago. I still need to do a review of it. This is just the D2 version. I fell in love with it. Honestly, I was a little bit skeptical. Ray over at Everyday City Carry, I saw him promoting these or showing these off, reviewing them. And wasn't a huge fan at first from just looks, but then once I got it in hand, I'm like, okay, that's pretty sweet. And then the fact that they came out with a exclusive with a higher end blade steel for under $100, this was like a no-brainer, and it just looks sick. So there you have it, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the Urban Trapper Petite at first glance, and the QSP Penguin Knife Center exclusive. Remember, check the links down below. I'll set up links for these and any of the other products you see. Always check for links down below. On that, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and I'll see you outside. Bye.